Hello everyone, welcome back to King Conquest. And in this video we have a fun little puzzle, endgame puzzle. What to play and win. So pause the video if you want to try. Okay, welcome back. As you can see, black still have their queen and their knight. So in this puzzle we have to basically capture the queen in order for white to win. So let's start with the most blunder one, which is king to a1, and this is instant checkmate with queen to a2 checkmate. You don't want to do this. Okay, if you guess that you have to move your queen, you are partially correct, or in this case a draw will be much more possible, because that, let's say white us move our queen to g4, then we can the black king can just go after the white knight. So I don't know, no matter what you do, this knight, either you move your knight and then you get bombarded with check by black, or you basically checking the black king and your knight is taken by the black king. So we don't want that. If your answer is knight to c3, this is also incorrect, because again black can just go after your knight like this, for example. So it's more likely a draw than a win. So if you guess the correct answer is knight to g3, congratulations, this is the correct solution if you want to win. So black king is in check, and as you can see, we have 8 legal moves for black, and king to e5 is actually the better one, although it still loses. So let's say we try with the worst by moving black king to e3, for example. And this is, we can just double check with our knight, and the next move we will take the queen, like so. So that's one of the worst that black can do. Another move that black can do is king to d5, and as you can see, there is 2 squares between the king and the black queen. So we can do a called skewer in chess. So this is basically check, and once the king move, we take the queen. So another worst move is king to f4, and in this position we can move our queen to h6, another skewer, as you can see. And this is like black doesn't have any good move except maybe taking the knight, and this is easily winning for white. Alright, another variation. We already talked about this one, and this one. Let's say we want to try this move, king to d4. Same as usual, because in this, after queen to d7 check, black has 5 legal move, and this 2 is actually the worst because we can double check with our knight like so, and the other move, either king c4, king c5, or king e5, it's basically the king move away from their own queen, so we can take it. So yeah, this is losing for black. Okay, we try this one, we try this one, we try this one. How about this one? Same, basically. Queen to d7, and as you can see, both of these king move result in double check. And this move basically leaves their own queen to be defenseless, and we can just take their queen. Alright, we try many things. Okay, let's go to the solution then, to the best move that black can do, which is king to e5. In this position, we obviously don't want to go to queen to d7 because the black queen can just take. In this position, we have to move our queen to f5. And this is a check. And as you can see, there is only 2 squares left for black. And if black decided to go to d6 thinking that the white queen cannot go to d7 to do skewers, well, our white knight can just do the double check, and this is obviously winning for white, and say okay, black realized their mistake and moving their king to d4. Again, same principle like before. We move our queen to d7, and as you can see, this 2 square is worse for the black king, and the other 3 square is basically the black king moves away from their own queen. So yeah, that's how we solve the puzzle. So hope you guys love this puzzle, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day.